Hello, this is my video tutorial for activities according to the week 3. I am in the teacher practice area and I'm logged in. I already turned editing on so I can do the changes. So my topic area is topic 74. And the first thing I have here is my name with the label resource Monica Arellano, and then I have the resources, which were the first thing to do. And now I'm going to show you how I add the activities for week 3. Now the activities I add was the 17 activities Moodle has for us as teachers. The first activity I uploaded was the students' creativity, which is a multiple choice question. Then we have a survey, which is already recorded by Moodle. Then I have the chat. I have the chat here. So it's called speaking strategies. I already add description. So this chat is for discussing about which are the activities or strategies you use with your students. Then I have checklist here. I call the course because it has everything about my topic area. Then I have the database activity that I call it our work, and then I have here a description on it. You have to add files or images about materials you use to learn. Then I made a crossword with the external tool. I used EducaPlay for doing that, and it's a great software to use too. Then I created the feedback, which is about the course. Of course, you have to make comments about the work we've been doing in the course. That's the description. Then I have the glossary activity. I name it vocabulary. So this is the description of it. And then I created a hot potato activity, which I call adjectives. So you can find it there. Then I have the lesson, funny games for teaching, which contains material about this topic here. Then I also create my math, which I call English teaching. Then I have a quiz, a multiple choice quiz about some theme I chose. Then I created a SCORM package about past tense verbs, and I also added a description here. Then I have the wiki activity, which I call portfolio for the course. So this is the description. You have to add web pages you find interesting for learning any subject. Then I also add a workshop with, I call it interviewing someone. So this is a group activity. Students have to do like extra homework. So they have to work with a partner and interview someone interesting. Then I add the WizIQ Live class. I name it discussing about the use of should and shouldn't. And I'm going to explain you how I add this last resource, which is the one I like the most. So if you want to add any activity or resource, you have to click on add an activity or resource. Then you have to go down and find whatever you want. Okay, so I want to show you how I uploaded the WizIQ Live class. So I select it and then I click on add and I wait until the page load the information I request. Okay, it's loading, so we have to wait a minute. I think that it's taking too long because I have some trouble with my internet connection, but I have to wait. Okay, it's done. So the first thing you have to do is write a name of the class. Maybe you want to show some or talk about some object in a specific. I don't know, maybe um, talk about your personal um, likes and dislikes, for example. So that's a name you put on it so that people uh, could know what is the class about. So you may add a description of the class. Let's write like this class is going to be discussion about what kind of things you do you do in your free time, for example. That's just an example. So you made the changes you want. You may change the color of the words or something you want to do. Then you click here and back to the chart. Okay, so let's go on. You set timing of the class, and I set on America, Caracas, because I'm in Venezuela. So I did it like that. Then a time, maybe 3 February. Okay, this is the duration of the class. Very good. Then you click here, setting of WizIQ class, English, United States. This is the language. And you click yes if you want to record the class. I want to record the class, so I click on yes. And these are the common model settings that you change if you want. And then the restrict access. You change it if you want. So then you click on save and display. And you wait until the page loads the information. think like that live classes are good because we can have with the students a very special moment with them so they can share all the doubts they have about the content of the course. Okay, so this is how you make it, and you have here the title, talk about your personal like and dislikes, and then you have the teacher, it's me of course, class status, upcoming, this is the timing and the time zone, and then you have the minutes, the duration, and recorded option, yes. And this is the description of the class. So that's it. We're back to my topic 74, so we can see the with IQ class in the Moodle. So we just want to have to wait a little bit, and here we go. I scroll down so I can see the new activity I made. So it's here. I have another Reason Q class, and I just put it my support forum because teachers request it has to be like that. Remember, with your name in the top and your support forum at the end. So that's it. Hope you like it. Thank you.